I don't know why or what. You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal, girl.
Okay, so in all seriousness, I don't know where I left off in the vlog before this, but I'm not even gonna do an intro or anything like that. Today, me and my mom are painting. I know I've been saying we're gonna do this for a while, but we're actually doing it today.
This thing already.
Okay, so
What am I supposed to do with this shit?
stop cursing.
Sorry.
I'm just gonna. I don't care. We moved the couch. Well, she moved the couch. She did it without me knowing. So, all right, mom, wait for me to help you.
I know, but I just couldn't figure out.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I saw that one. It's really nice outside. It's like 90 degrees outside, but there is a breeze, thankfully. So we're able to paint. It's not hot in here at all. We had Starbucks, but we didn't eat breakfast. So we've been having the same drink like we always do. So we got this from Home Depot. This tape, which obviously we have to set up first. We got brushes, batteries. Oh, and then this right here, which is pretty cool. You cover the paint with it, and then you open this so that the paint could just pour out, and you don't have to cover the paint back up. You can just leave this on it. Pretty cool. We have our music. I'm about to set that up. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, you sure?
Positivo.
Positivo.
Get this music going, please.
Okay.
Kind of like on the floor.
Mama, what's wrong? You're making me sad that you're so sad. You're not eating or anything, and I don't like that, Mama. Okay. Bake. Listen. You okay? Eat. Come. Come. Mama. Eat, please. Please eat. You're not eating. Why are we always like on the same type of time? We don't eat.
We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo.
Update. It took 1,000,000 hours just to put the tape. Like, I totally forgot. I'm thinking that we're gonna just go home, right? Go straight home, start painting, and I was wrong. But yeah, we're actually finally about to start. So, we had some eggs. Had a quick egg salad. I'm drinking water.
Give us some eggs in that.
Oh, is that why she ate? You put eggs in it? No wonder. She's so spoiled. But my mom spoiled us all. She spoils me. My mom spoiled me. She spoiled Kyron. But yeah.
Same, I never changed it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that.
I mean, it could be the light though, the lighting, but I do see it. Like, yeah. We need one more coat
on top, and one more on top in that certain area.
Well, we need one more coat the whole entire thing, but I guess just be a little bit heavier. So this is what, obviously, this is the color that it was before, and now it's gonna be white.
I can't wait to do the
Mama woke up, big girl. Uh oh. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Oh my God, let me tell you how to
So, in between painting, hold on, let me move this. So, in between painting, you guys, I'm actually editing. So, this video right here. Why is it being, it's frozen, but yeah, I'm actually editing this clothing haul. So if you guys haven't watched that, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? I'm just kidding, hold on. So I've really been staying busy and making sure that I upload at least 3 times a week. So this is gonna be, this video right here that I'm editing is gonna be the first of the week, and then hopefully this vlog will be the second, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for the third. I'm thinking of trying to finesse my wig and make my wig like a little bit more natural, even though no one really has blonde roots with like purple hair, unless obviously you were born with blonde hair. But you know, that's not the case for me. If not that video, then I definitely have to film my lit playlist, because you guys have been asking, well, requesting me to do that video, so I have to do that for you guys. But I'm actually gonna finish editing this, get this up, finish the walls, and then I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, you guys, so it's like a million years later. I actually had to do a survey for the job that I applied to in the mall, so that's what I had to do. One more coat of paint was applied and my video is up. So your girl has not stopped. I'm gonna actually take you downstairs and show you what the wall looks like. And my video is up, and yes, I like my own videos, because why would I not like my own videos? Let's go downstairs. I'm always looking sweaty because my skin is so oily. It's annoying. It's so white. The green is really throwing me off, but I know it's not gonna look like that. The green is like so hideous. Imagine, ew, that's so old school.
Yeah, that green is like...
Ew, never. Everything is gonna look a trillion times better when everything is placed together, you know? I love when you make this chicken, honestly.
There's no more paint.
There's no more paint? Alright, you guys, so I'm in the bathroom. My mother is not really a big fan of the color right now. It just making me laugh because the color was kind of my idea, because I love white so much. But I feel like it's not all the way put together yet, so you gotta wait. So we're actually gonna go back to Home Depot right now and get a little bit more paint to finish the other side of the wall. Then we actually want to paint the stones that I have over here, right here. Those stones, we actually want to paint that white as well. So it's white right now. I'm actually, let me just, as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna bring you downstairs so we can see it. I need to get my chain and my bag, and we're back to Home Depot. And actually for Father's Day, I bought my stepfather a $25 gift card to Home Depot, and he hasn't used it, so we're about to use that right now. Let's be out.
Kiara, think fast.
Dang, son, that shouldn't hit my freaking...
Alright, let me get this for me.
That hit my freaking chin. It was a little bit hard to multitask holding this camera.
Lights, card.
That's what we're supposed to do today.
So this mirror kind of doesn't match, but whatever. But I feel like with the picture frames, everything's gonna look really good. We thought Home Depot closed at 11, but it closes at 10. And what time is it? Like 9:40 probably. Freaking head hurts. Riley? Move.
Oh, this is something you want to try out.
So if
And you're putting this...
it...
Did they pre-cut it for you?
No.
I'm gonna change the rest of the lights now.
She's... My...
I'm sweating. And my arm hurts from all this
Alright, let's
freaking
go.
twisting and turning. Let's see what it looks like.
Carmen, tell me what you think.
She's gonna be mad bright. It's gonna be like the sun.
Ooh, ooh.
It looks like Kiara's.
What?
I'll tell you one thing, the paint looks so much nicer now.
I agree.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause that yellow light was killing
It
me.
does look nice.
Alright, we didn't get there yet. I just did the lights. Now
No, I'm saying this color.
It's a winning. It's a winning.
This color looks just
gotta
as
fix
nice.
that. We got the wrong size blinds. Well, we picked out the right size blinds because I measured it and it was 32.5. So I knew to get 34 blinds, but she gave us 35. So we gotta go back. Here, Mama. Riley, your bed. I needed to put the light, so I put it down. Sorry. Here you go, Mama. Go ahead, go. Alright, so this is not the brightest. Actually, the brightest is... Oh my god, this looks like the Ace Family lighting. I'm serious.
Minus the big house.
Minus the big house. Alright, well honestly this...
Let's say, how do you go see? Where? Look.
2 days later.
I'm literally still at it. It's
recording.
yeah, I'm recording.
What's that?
It's 12:30. Father Lewis. I just did this side, but this is one coat, and then I gotta do the what's it called? The corners, edges, whatever you wanna freaking call it. Oh my god. It's 2:46 in the morning. I'm freaking over it. I'm tired. My arms are killing me. And I'm just so sleepy. I'm about to take a shower so I can go under my covers, turn this AC on because I'm sweating, and fall asleep like the baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please comment below what you guys would like to see in my next video. I've just been vlogging a lot. I need new ideas. I know I've been vlogging so much, but I do appreciate the fact that you guys comment and you still enjoy my vlogs, watching me literally do whatever I do on a daily. Oh my goodness, like I do hope that you guys still enjoy my vlogs, even though it's not like sit down videos or like makeup tutorials. If you guys do like the vlogs, comment below and let me know, because I'll continue. Oh my goodness, this is about to feel so good. Real quickly before I end the vlog off, if you guys watch Power, please comment below and let me know what you thought of the last episode, which was, that episode was one of the craziest episodes. And if you guys haven't watched it, all I'm gonna say is that I'm sad. That's all I'm gonna say is I'm sad. Oh, I forgot my AC is on. It's automatic. It probably knows that I'm in the room. It just started on its own. There's not a ghost here that I know of. But yeah, anyways, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. It's a little bell, click it, press yes, on, turn on, whatever the case is. And don't forget to follow me on all social medias. Everything's gonna be listed in the description below. Bye.